Have you ever thought of reducing your water bill while helping the environment at the same time? Today, we are going to present our project. It's called HydroSmart Home. It is a smart and sustainable solution that helps households to manage water efficiently through automation and recycling. So it's designed to tackle both monsoon and drought season. As for monsoon season, rainwater from rooftop is collected and passed through the filtration system that removes sediments and impurities. It is then used for non-drinking purposes such as toilet flushing, laundry, kitchen, and gardening. Excess water is being collected at this part. So as for drought season, it collected the water from kitchen, washing machine, and filters it. And it recycles it for daily household use. Once it starts to rain, the clothesline automatically retracts indoor, preventing it from getting wet and reducing the need for rewashing. As you can see, there's raindrops on the rain sensor. We have a demo right now.